Venture into the world of hippos, a creature of paradox, a lifespan of 40 years in the wild, yet captivity grants them a decade more. One of the deadliest large land mammals, claiming approximately 500 lives annually. Imagine jaws capable of crushing a crocodile, teeth that can split a boat in two, speed 19 miles per hour on land, yet a surprise awaits. Hippos can't swim, they dwell in water, yet they merely sink and walk or bounce along the bottom. Breath held for a staggering 6 minutes. Intriguing, isn't it? The world of the hippo, a fascinating blend of power, speed, and aquatic mystery.